Today I've received my Apple iPhone 4S. Got this for free and I want to show you guys. I'm going to unpack it, open it up, and want to show you guys that this is for real. Check out my description, you'll be able to find out more about how to get your own Apple iPhone 4S for free. Got the packing slip from Train. Thank you, Transcendent Innovations. There it is. There is Apple iPhone 4S. Just make sure we got all the accessories and stuff here as well. Plug, microphone, headbud, shiny and new. And for absolutely free, you can get this turned on. Apple iPhone 4S. You can get one just like me if you click on the links in the description.